Hey garden friends, let's check out this beautiful bed from Anleolife. First of all, look how tall it is. It's a biggin. Now when I was filling this, I did not take into account when it settled, so I do have to refill it when the seasons change. I've got some ranunculus in here. I've got some, I just knocked the bird bath over. I've got ranunculus. I've got some poppies, Merlot lettuce, some more ranunculus, more poppies. Those are carrots over there. Linda's baby dahlia. Got some tatsoi and more beautiful ranunculus, more Merlot lettuce. I fit so much food and flowers into this bed. It's kind of unreal, honestly. Lots more carrots. There's some chamomile in here that's starting. So when these get to be about 80 degrees consistently, these will go ahead and peace out. And after that, the tiny little zinnias that I planted over there and in here as well will get big enough and they'll kind of take over. But I have carrots around the outside of this big bed. And then I have the chamomile, and then I have a few different types of greens in here. But yeah, look how beautiful this thing is. I fit so much in here, and it will make weeding really easily because of how tall it is. I don't really have to bend over that much. So for somebody like me, it's pretty rad. I do have to thin a lot of things. I'm a chaos gardener. I just kind of throw it all together, and then I thin it later.